Are you dreaming of building a successful career in Norway? Well, this video is going to be a complete guide for you, because today I'm going to share how you can get a job in Norway, what the requirements are, and the exact process to make your dream a reality. First of all, let's talk about why Norway is such an attractive country for workers. Norway is ranked among the top nations in the world for quality of life, work-life balance, and high salaries. The average salary in Norway is much higher compared to Asian countries, and workers also enjoy benefits like health insurance, paid leave, and family-friendly policies. Now let's move. Norway has a huge demand for workers in multiple industries. For example, healthcare professionals like nurses and caregivers, and IT specialists, skilled trades such as electricians, mechanics, and plumbers, hospitality and tourism workers. So, no matter what your background is, there are opportunities waiting for you. The next big question is, what about requirements? The good news is that Norway does not have very strict age limits, and in many cases, there is no mandatory language test. Of course, learning basic Norwegian will help, but it is not a barrier for applying. Now, let's talk about the visa process step by step.
1. First, you need to secure a job offer from a Norwegian employer. 2. Once you have the offer letter, you can apply for the Norway Work Visa. 3. The documents you'll need usually include your passport, job contract, proof of accommodation, and financial means. 4. Submit your application online through the UDI website or via the Norwegian embassy in your country. 5. Once approved, you'll receive your residence permit and you're ready to fly to Norway and start your career. Sounds simple, right? But I know, in reality, many people get confused with paperwork, documentation, and finding the right job opportunities. And that's exactly where I can help you. I've created a special step-by-step course for just 299 INR where I explain everything in detail. From finding authentic job portals, writing a professional CV that Norwegian employers accept, to guiding you through the visa application process. And here's the best part, you don't need to struggle alone. Just DM me on Instagram, and I'll personally help you out. Whether you need guidance about documents, applications, or even interview tips, you'll get it all inside this course. Remember, opportunities don't wait forever. Thousands of people are applying every day, and those who take action right now will have the advantage. So, watch this video till the end, take notes, and if you're serious about moving to Norway, DM me on Instagram and let me help you get started with just 299 INR. Your future in Norway could be just one decision away.